How to pressure wash your car. Step 1, get a car. Step 2, get a pressure washer. Get really close to the paint. It works better that way. Be sure to get the gas cap. It can get really dirty. Be sure to go ahead and fill up the tank. The space shuttle runs on this stuff, more or less. But put the cap back on. We don't want bugs getting in there. Be sure to get the engine bay. And don't forget the oil cap. Water's good for carbon buildup. Now we'll get the interior, but you don't want to get the seats wet. No need to take out bolts, they just slow you down. Don't worry about the fog on the windows. It's just Mother Nature's way of letting you know you're doing a good job. And that's how you pressure wash your car. Now that your car's good and pressure washed, you've probably already dirtied it back up, but that's okay. Now we're going to put on some tire shine. You can buy wet and black, but it just costs too much money. I prefer black spray paint. Because if the tires don't shine, the women ain't got time. Can't forget the front tires. And why not go ahead and add some custom pin striping while you're at it? It looks cool. Give it some flair. And we'll make it patriotic. Now that she's all shined up, let's take her for a spin. Come on. Oh, that's the last time I buy a Dodge.